Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to mute yourself on Zoom. So when you're in a meeting on Zoom, all you need to do is to go over to the bottom left corner where you have your microphone and your video icons. Currently, as I'm speaking, my microphone is turned on and you can see the green wave moving up and down, reacting to my voice. In order to mute yourself on Zoom, go ahead and click on the microphone. There will be a red stroke on the microphone indicating that your microphone is now muted. There are other settings you can make if you'd like to mute yourself automatically if you're getting into a meeting. In order to apply this setting, you're going to go over to the microphone, but this time you're going to click on the arrow. Then you go over to audio settings. This will be the first option after clicking the arrow. And now in the settings box, you're going to be automatically under the audio tab. You're going to scroll down and right here you have the option mute my microphone when joining. This would automatically mute your microphone when you're joining a meeting, thus preventing any unwanted sound while you're trying to join a meeting. We're going to click on the checkbox and now our microphone will be muted automatically as we're about to join a meeting. You could of course go ahead and unmute yourself if you want to. So these are the options to follow if you would like to mute yourself on Zoom.